Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Welcome to a super easy way to enjoy oysters, right from your own kitchen. Forget complex shucking techniques. Cooking them in the oven is truly a game changer, especially for beginners. It makes enjoying these ocean treasures so much more accessible. Plus, it's a brilliant, low-effort way to impress your friends and family at your next gathering. First things first, let's get those oysters ready. Always pick oysters that are tightly closed and smell fresh. A trusted seafood market is your best bet. Before baking, give each one a good scrub under cold, running water to remove any grit. And here's a little tip: scatter some rock salt on your baking sheet. This creates a stable bed for the oysters, keeping them from tipping over while they cook. Now for the part many people dread: shucking. But with oven-baked oysters, it's so much easier. You don't need to shuck them beforehand. The heat from the oven actually helps them open just enough. After about 5 minutes in the oven, carefully use an oyster knife to gently pry them fully open. Just be super careful not to spill that precious natural liquor inside, as it adds incredible flavor. All right, it's baking time. Pop your oysters into a preheated oven, usually around 400 degrees Fahrenheit. The exact cooking time can vary, but typically 8 to 10 minutes is all you'll need. You'll know they are ready when their edges start to curl. Just before serving, you can add a little pat of butter, a fresh squeeze of lemon, or your favorite hot sauce for an extra burst of flavor. Once cooked, serve your oysters immediately while they're still nice and warm. You can arrange them beautifully on a platter, perhaps over a bed of crushed ice, for a lovely presentation. Offer a selection of dipping sauces, like mignonette or cocktail sauce, or even some fresh herbs like parsley or chives. You're all set to enjoy a truly gourmet oyster experience right in the comfort of your own home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.